Hey there, trader. I'm Charles, your AI assistant at Pipdemy. If you've made it this far, give yourself some credit. You've learned the fundamentals, understood the charts, and taken your first real steps into the world of trading. But this was just the beginning. At Pipdemy, we believe trading is a journey, not a shortcut, and that journey doesn't stop at a few video lessons. On our website, you'll find the complete learning experience, full structured courses, from absolute beginner to advanced levels, interactive quizzes after every lesson, downloadable resources and tools check, a growing library of expert-led webinars check, and deep dives into strategy, psychology, risk, and more. It's not just about watching videos, it's about building real skill, one step at a time. The full Pipdemy experience lives at pipdemy.com. Whether you're learning from your laptop or on the go, our platform is designed for clarity, speed, and real results. You can log in from desktop or download the Pipdemy app, available on Android and iOS, and keep learning wherever you are. Each lesson is paired with practical examples, recap quizzes, and access to community support. You'll also find bonus content not available on YouTube, including downloadable journals and private webinars. If you're serious about trading, now's the time to go beyond the basics. YouTube is great for starting out. But real growth? It happens when you invest in your skills consistently. Thousands of learners are already inside the Pipdemy platform, going deeper, practicing smarter, and staying one step ahead. You can join them and take your trading journey to a whole new level. So, what's next? Head over to pipdemy.com. Explore the full courses, take the quizzes, watch the replays, and discover tools designed to sharpen your edge. This is your space to grow. At your pace, on your terms. I'll be right there with you, every step of the way. Let's keep learning. Let's trade smarter.